Hello and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're bringing the world to your table with a better for you twist on a kid favorite.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making baked popcorn chicken with a secret ingredient.
Yes, so our secret ingredient is right here. It's our corn flakes that we're using to coat our chicken.
Yeah, so good for breakfast and also good for this popcorn chicken.
Yes, and it happens to be a whole grain. We're baking it, so that's also better for us. So lots of ways just to make really a traditional, fun snack or meal better for us.
Yeah. So let's get started with our chicken. We just have boneless, skinless chicken breast that we've cut into like 1-inch cubes. And we're going to get a little bit of olive oil on here, just a drizzle.
I love that we're using like heart healthy oils in this recipe. We're baking it, so definitely cutting down on some of that extra fat that's traditionally found in like fried popcorn chicken.
Yeah, and then just a little bit of salt and pepper for some seasoning. So again, this recipe is super simple.
Yes, it is. It comes together in minutes.
Give it a good stir, and then we just have to dredge it through the cornflakes.
So this is definitely a kid-friendly dish and a really good way to get kids a little bit more open to trying new foods, particularly things that happen to be a little bit healthier, is to get them in the kitchen, get them involved in any sort of this food prep. They could easily be, dredging the little chicken pieces in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and as I'm dredging, I'm just placing it onto our baking sheet that we've lightly sprayed with olive oil. But you could also use parchment paper to cut down on some of the cleanup as well.
And we have our oven right now preheating to 375. So when these are all on the pan, they only take 10 minutes to bake, which is really fast. So it's something that you can pull together really quickly.
Yeah, and I love that the cornflakes give it that crunch factor, which you sometimes don't get when you bake this kind of food.
Yes, definitely. And they get really nice and brown and crispy too in the oven. So while this is more of a main dish, something that would be really good to serve this with would be like cauliflower tots. Actually, Green Giant makes broccoli tots as well. So again, just finding really simple little ways to make our favorite foods just a tad bit better for us.
And those tots are probably one of my favorite veggie side dishes out there. I had them for the first time not too long ago. They're very good.
And while Jenny is finishing that up, I'm actually going to go ahead and make our dipping sauce. So today we're making a Sriracha Mayo with, you guessed it, Sriracha and mayo. So we have mayo here. I'm just adding some Sriracha. And we're just going to mix this up. This is so simple, but we've made this for dipping with, what did it make? Oh, avocado fries. This makes a really good dip for that. So we thought, hey, this would be really nice with our popcorn chicken.
Yeah, and don't be scared off by the Sriracha. It sounds spicy, but the mayo really tempers that spice down.
Yes, and the nice thing too is you can add the Sriracha to taste. So Jenny likes it spicier. You could add a little bit more Sriracha if you want to have a little bit more of a kick. But really, really good, and we think the kids are gonna love it too. All right, so our pan is really full now, so we're gonna actually pop this in the oven. It's at 375. They're gonna take just about 10 minutes to cook, so they cook really quickly as well.
All right, so the chicken looks great. Smells so good.
Yeah, oh my goodness, it smells really good.
It's kind of crazy how just a few really simple ingredients can make something that smells so good.
Yes.
It's so delicious.
Yeah, it looks really good. Everything looks like it's pretty well cooked. Should be nice and crunchy.
Yeah, I love how we can bake this and still have that really great crunch factor, and we don't need to deep fry it.
Right, exactly. The cornflakes do all the heavy lifting there.
Yeah.
Should we give it a try?
Oh, hold on, got to garnish it.
Oh, that's right.
Got some green onions just for some nice color. Extra flavor. And then we're serving it with that Sriracha Mayo you made earlier, but it would also be good with ketchup or ranch or any of those really kid-friendly condiments.
Yes, whatever your favorite dipping sauce is. Take a little one here. It's not too hot.
Give it a little dip.
That Sriracha Mayo is so good.
I could eat it on everything, I think. And the chicken's really juicy, and I love that crunch from the cornflakes. Super tasty.
Yes, we hope you give this recipe a try with your family this week.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.